Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. 10 I already got here, back at it with another video. Alright guys, we're finally pretty much done with the turbo kit, and this car is gonna be crazy. Let me know what you guys think on the comments below. Here's my ON3 76mm single turbo. Hopefully we'll do the first startup right now, or when Jared gets here. We had a little fuel leak, but I think he can get it, and we'll see if it starts. I went with ID 1300 injectors with 4 Innovations 1LE fuel system. So I got the fuel rails right there also, and I also got my lowering springs in too, and my bracket for my shocks, because I'm putting Viking Crusaders on, so that'll be pretty dope. I'll let you guys know when Jared gets here.
How are you going to Boston?
Alright, we're finally at the shop. Hell yeah.
JJ.
Alright, Jared. What the hell happened?
JJ said you're leaving for the...
I don't know, bro. Leaking.
A little leak.
I think.
Yeah, I got some shit.
You need a light.
I'm gonna fucking hate doing this.
This is crazy, bro.
We got no crew over there.
No crew, bitch.
Hopefully we turn this on.
That's not a bad idea. I'm gonna go in a circle by myself.
You shitting me?
Alright guys.
Yeah, bro, I guess so.
We found the issue.
What are you doing here, Jared?
Bro, it was on the label as Johnny.
Yeah, it was on the- yeah.
Half-ass garage for real.
Head ass garage.
Hell yeah.
Hey, bro, if it's on the label,
Yeah.
Yo, it's fake champion.
Plugs.
These ain't champion
How are we
plugs.
doing over here, Tyler?
Got fake
What are
champion.
you doing
hoodie.
over
Got
here?
some new NGK iridiums going in.
That's what I need.
Plugs in Vietnamese.
Already gapped.
oh, it's hard. I gotta say, Happy New Year. I already got a bolt for
Yeah,
it.
happy Laos Thai Cambodian New Year.
Alright.
All my Asians up there. Something like that.
Stop Asian hate.
Yeah, stop Asian hate. You heard that? Fuck with someone that's not so elderly.
What's Jonathan's? I know, that's what I'm saying.
You won't hear nothing.
Oh yeah, you're right. I'm safer back here now.
Dennis, we're gonna do it. Let me just like start it. Hit the run. Check on the car.
Check that non photo, bro.
Alright, send it.
New battery charger.
Yup.
Alright.
Let it charge up.
Yeah, push it first to start. Alright. Yeah.
Come on, Bessie. Oh, not enough charge. Still needs. What's your voltage at in the dash?
Come on, Ruby number 2.
Take 3.
Which way? That's his
Action.
He's the one who wanted to do it.
I'm scared. I'm gonna too.
Okay.
Oh.
Alright. Start it!
Alright.
What?
Nicole! Look! There's a hole. There's this hole. It's time.
We all in.
Yeah, I mean, it's basically all or nothing now. Johnny, you want to do it?
No. You're the one building the car, come on.
You want it lower now? Yep. You want to get sunglasses?
Yeah, no, exactly.
All right, we're getting this on camera.
Literally, this
You got
way
it, kid?
looks fine.
Mm-hmm.
Steady.
All right, y'all. Fucking let her eat.
Full send.
Drop down a little bit. Drop down. Hurry up, hurry up.
Oh yeah, I bet that bitch was toasty.
Oh, grab that tray. Grab that tray out.
Idling pretty good now. Doing my data log now. Gonna get the next revision. See if we can put it in boost. Got my go fast bits. Boost controller right there. Waiting there. Got the hole on the hood. I mean, she's idling pretty good. Yeah, I'll probably just put the video here. Nothing really much we're gonna do now. And I'm gonna send that data log, and then I could maybe get the pulls in after this one, because I'm just doing the base tune now. So all they're asking me is to idle and